How to use note-taking apps on iPhone. Hey everyone, feeling forgetful, to-do lists overflowing, ditch the paper scraps and explore the world of note-taking apps for iPhone. Today, we'll tackle how to use these digital lifesavers. Note-taking apps keep your ideas, tasks and information organized in one place, accessible anytime, anywhere. While there are great options for Windows too, let's dive into the fantastic note-taking apps available on iPhone. Evernote is an organizational powerhouse. Create text notes, clip web articles, record voice memos, and even scan documents. It's perfect for those who juggle tons of information and need a central hub. OneNote, the Microsoft Marvel, is it seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft Office apps. It creates colorful digital notebooks, collaborate with colleagues, and access notes from any device. It's ideal for students or teams working on shared projects. To master the basics, you need to master creating notes, which is a simple thing to tap on New Note button and unleash your ideas. And organization, which is the key to organizing notes by creating folders or notebooks based on specific categories. And the search power. Need to find something specific. Most apps have powerful search functions to help you locate any note in a flash. So ditch the sticky notes and paper trails. With note-taking apps, you can organize your thoughts, boost productivity, and conquer that to-do list. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.